Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you will enter here. After that, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.